In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through Google to set up a new team in ClickUp. Whether you're a new team leader or expanding an existing team, this guide will walk you through the straightforward process. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to ClickUp. Simply type ClickUp into your Google search bar and the website should pop up at the top of your search results. Click on it and it will take you to the ClickUp homepage. If you've been here before, you might already be logged in. If not, simply enter your login information or create a new account if you haven't done so yet. Once you're inside your ClickUp dashboard, you need to head over to your profile. Look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll notice an icon or possibly your initials if you haven't set a profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to click on Settings. The Settings menu is where you'll find all the key configurations for your ClickUp workspace. After you enter your settings, look for the Teams option in the menu. It might be in the sidebar or sometimes displayed more prominently. Choosing Teams will give you an overview of any existing teams you might have. But since we're setting up a new team today, let's proceed by clicking on Create a Team. Creating a new team is as simple as it sounds. A prompt will appear, typically asking for a team name. Take a moment here to consider the purpose and layout of your new team. You might want to pick a name that's both descriptive and easy to remember for everyone. Once you've settled on a name, go ahead and enter it into the field provided. After naming your new team, you might have other customizable options based on your subscription level with ClickUp. This could include adding team members right away or setting specific permissions. If you have individuals in mind for the team, you can add them by entering their email addresses. However, if you prefer, you can also skip this step for now and add members later as you finalize your team's details. And there you have it. The team is successfully created and you're ready to start collaborating in a more organized and efficient way. Whether you're managing big projects or just trying to streamline your workflow, having a dedicated team in ClickUp can make all the difference. Once everything is set up, you can explore the various functionalities within your team space, like task assignments, project deadlines, and communication tools. ClickUp offers a multitude of features that can help take your team's productivity to the next level, so feel free to dive deeper into those possibilities. Thanks for following along, and I hope your new team setup helps manage your projects more seamlessly.